Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming device specifics, Android version, model, and free storage space. Once done, back up your data to avoid loss. Use a full device backup or cloud sync so you can revert. Next, get a trusted APK file from a reputable repository and verify its checksum. Then, enable install from unknown sources per app on modern Android for the file manager you'll use. This starts the installation flow. Make sure permissions are handled deliberately before proceeding with the APK. You install the APK with a reliable file manager, tapping the package and following prompts. As the app requests permissions, grant only those required for core function and deny anything excessive. You can adjust later in settings. If the app fails due to ABI or API level incompatibility, switch to an emulator or desktop Android runtime to run it instead. Once installed, open the app and test basic flows. Make sure background services don't drain battery or request extra access immediately. You finish by thoroughly testing the app's core features. Check performance, battery, and data use while exercising major functions. Once satisfied, tighten security. Revoke permissions that proved unnecessary and disable install from unknown sources for that app. If the app crashes or fails to start, clear its cache and data, then reinstall the APK. If problems persist, move to an emulator or a different device with a compatible Android level. Key tip: keep a backup so you can restore if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.